Stop, because the person you've been fighting the most is you, not your enemies, not your past, not the people who hurt you, And that's exactly why you feel so tired. Because how do you win a battle when you are fighting your own soul? You replay your mistakes again and again. You remember what you said, what you did, what you should have done differently, and slowly, without realizing it, you stopped being kind to yourself. You became your own judge, your own critic, your own enemy. You forgive others, but not yourself. You show grace to people who hurt you, but give none to your own heart. And now you're exhausted, not because life is too hard, but because you've been at war with yourself. But listen carefully. God is saying to you today, my child, I never asked you to hate yourself. I never told you to carry shame like it's your identity. I never called you by your mistakes. So why are you? You think punishing yourself makes you better, but it only keeps you stuck. You think holding on to guilt makes you humble, but it only keeps you bound. The truth is, you've been trying to grow while tearing yourself down at the same time. And that's why it feels like you're not moving forward, because every step you take, your own voice pulls you back. But today, something has to change, because you cannot love others fully while hating yourself secretly. You cannot walk in peace while your mind is constantly attacking you, and you cannot hear God clearly when your inner voice is louder than His truth. So here's where it starts. Not with loving yourself perfectly, not with becoming confident overnight, but with this simple truth. You are not your enemy. You were never meant to fight yourself. You were meant to heal, to grow, to rise. God is saying, see yourself the way I see you, not broken beyond repair, but being rebuilt, not rejected, but chosen, not defined by your past, but designed for purpose. And the moment you start believing that, everything begins to shift. The war inside your mind starts to quiet down. The weight on your heart starts to lift. And for the first time in a long time, you feel peace, real peace, because you finally stopped fighting the person God is trying to restore. So today, put down the weapon you've been using against yourself. Release the guilt, release the shame, release the hate. You are not the war. You are the one meant to survive it. And this time, you won't just survive. You'll become someone you finally love again. If you feel this message, comment Amen. Share this with someone who is fighting themselves right now. God bless you.